day, everyone. My name is Rain Jared Bajala, and today I am Nikola Tesla. As a young man, I was fascinated by the mysteries of electricity, a force that would shape the future of humanity. My passion ignited a spark that led to my most significant contributions. One of my earliest breakthroughs was the development of the alternating current system. While most of my contemporaries favored the direct current, I recognized the advantages of the alternating current with its ability to transmit power over long distances with remarkable efficiency. This vision culminated in the first alternating current power plant at Niagara Falls, which transformed the way we harness and distribute electricity. In 1891, I created the Tesla Coil, a high-frequency transformer that opened new frontiers in wireless technology. This invention laid the groundwork for radio transmission and wireless communication, allowing us to connect across vast distances without the constraints of wires. I also developed the induction motor, a revolutionary device that utilized electromagnetic fields to convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. This innovation not only modernized industries but also became a cornerstone of electrical engineering. Another remarkable achievement was my demonstration of wireless control in 1898 when I successfully operated a remote control boat. This early glimpse into automation and remote technology foreshadowed the innovations we enjoy today. Despite my contributions, I faced many obstacles, rivalries, financial challenges, and often being overshadowed by others. But yet I remained steadfast in my belief that technologies should serve humanity one day and make our lives better. Today, I stand before you not as an inventor, but as a visionary who dreamed of a world connected by energy and innovation. My legacy lives on in every electrical light and wireless signal, and in the very fabric of modern technology. Thank you for letting me share my story. May we continue to explore and innovate, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Rain Jared Bajala, scientist lookalike of Nikola Tesla, from Grade 5 Apple.